Hello, I'm going to show you how you enter attendance into the online school manually. First and foremost, you need to make sure you're logged in as the learning coach because students do not have access to attendance. Once you're logged in, you should come to a screen like this. Over on the left-hand side, you should see in the area an attendance link. Go ahead and click on that. Once you get to the attendance area, you want to make sure you click on the little calendar and just make sure you're on the date that you would like to enter attendance for. So I'm going to go to today. And then what you want to do at the end of the day or as the day goes on, you want to make sure that what you're doing in the online school and marking as complete is 100% matching up with what you put in the attendance tab. So for example here, I already have my hour in Math Plus Purple, which is for third graders, so that's good to go. But maybe you notice that for some reason you don't see music, and you know you did music because music is marked off complete for the day. Just click into the empty area and the default time will actually pop up for you. Now you can change that time if, for example, it didn't take 45 minutes. So you can just delete that out and you can put in other times. But most times the default time is pretty accurate. And then you click Save. Now there's another area in the online school that you can also access attendance from. This might also be another view that a learning coach will get once they've been working into the online school throughout the day. Now, this view of the online school has tabs that run along the top. You want to go to the Plan tab and then go all the way down to Attendance. It's going to open up a very similar window. Again, you want to make sure you're on the correct day. And then once again, you are going to make sure that the work you did for the day is actually showing as complete. So this is an example of a first grader. So if you all of a sudden notice by the end of the day that there's no attendance entered or you're missing attendance, just go in and enter it manually. So you know you did Math Plus Green. You know you did your writing skills, lit and comp, and phonics, and so on and so forth. Just enter the attendance in manually. You'll also enter in any Class Connect attendance here, Phi-Ed time, 30 minutes a day, and any RTI, which are the interventions that your teacher might have your student working in. And then when you're done, once again, you would go ahead and click Save. Thank you for listening.